Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the QQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, November 2, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 2, 2023, our system identified QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 2.28. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. In the short term, the ETF is currently in a falling trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the top trend line at $368.54 is broken, it may indicate a slower falling rate and could be the first sign of a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 4.15% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 9.70% and minus 2.81%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a 39.08% change over the next 12 months. This could result in a potential return between 32.42% and 61.4%. So, after a year, the price range is expected to be between $481.26 and $586.60. Our latest daily update for QQQ brings exciting news. The QQQ ETF has been upgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 2, 2023, the QQQ ETF price experienced a gain of 1.82%, rising from $356.96 to $363.44. Impressively, it has now seen gains for 5 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to observe whether this positive trend continues or if a minor break occurs in the next few days. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.94%, moving from a low of $360.30 to a high of $363.68. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and has increased by 0.96% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the most recent day, with a total of 54 million shares being bought and sold, equating to approximately $19.47 billion. It's important to note that a decline in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price of the ETF was $387.98, while the lowest price reached $259.08. At the current moment, the price sits 6.33% or $24.54 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it stands 11.08% or $45.27 below its all-time high on November 22, 2021, when it reached $408.71. Let's discuss the signals for QQQ, the popular ETF. The QQQ ETF shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a promising outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is higher than the short-term average. If the stock corrects downwards, it may find support at the $351.40 and $360.22 levels. Breaking below these levels would generate sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 5.76% increase so far. We may see further growth until a new top pivot is identified. It's worth noting that despite the rising prices, volume decreased during the last trading day, indicating a divergence between volume and price. This could be an early warning sign, so it's crucial to closely monitor the ETF. Additionally, there are negative signals that could impact its short-term development. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to watch is the pivots, which generated a buy signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger indicator also shows a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. The short-term moving average is currently indicating a buy signal that was triggered 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also suggesting a buy signal that occurred 2 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that was given 11 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. On the 12-month chart, the short moving average is indicating a buy signal that was triggered 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is currently suggesting a sell signal that occurred 13 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that was given 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and information. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ, the ETF that tracks the performance of the Nasdaq 100 index, has a significant support level at $359.97. When this support is tested, it often presents a buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction. This level has seen a lot of buying interest in the past, making it a reliable support level. QQQ is known for its good trading volume, which means it is easy to buy or sell shares without significantly impacting the price. This makes the risk involved with trading QQQ relatively low. In fact, the ETF has experienced minor daily price changes, with a recent movement of $3.38, 0.94%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, QQQ has exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.3%. While there may be some fluctuations in its price, they have generally been within a reasonable range, further indicating a lower level of risk. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a crucial measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio can indicate two things: either there is a lower expectation for the future of the company, or the stock may be undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $364.02. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding QQQ, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $359.97. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders looking to anticipate a rebound. In this video, we will discuss our recommended stop loss for this particular ETF. The stop loss is set at $349.58, which represents a decrease of 3.81%. This ETF is known for its low daily movements, which results in lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 5 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. As a result, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a buy candidate. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, November 3rd, we anticipate the QQQ to open down by 97 cents and start trading at $362.47. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, we strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current state of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your predictions for the ETF? We'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.